here is the app Candle couple games and photos. So here you can just see it. Spark daily connection in just 1 minute. Photo prompts, deep questions, fun challenges. Keep your relationship growing. Start your couple streak today. Candle, the ultimate couples game for staying close. Most relationships don't end in one moment, they drift apart over time. Missed check-ins, surface level conversations, busy life and routines replace real connection. Candle helps couples stay emotionally close for 1 minute. Daily rituals that bring back presence, play, and curiosity. Effortless connection, lasting impact. Conversation starters that matter. Daily photo prompts, some kisses, creative local date ideas, games and challenges. So, it's another kind of like couple app trending on TikTok. And just open it up and then you can just go and start creating your account. So now you can see that they offer you to upgrade. So monthly $13 per month or yearly $40 per year. And then you can just pair up with partners. So this is how it looks like. Then you can just enter the code in here. You can see all of the details. You can see some ideas in here. And then you can see conversations. And then you can see how you can just share the code like that. So yeah, that's what you have in here. That's super simple app. Just how you can play different games together, explore different topics, just chat, have conversations, audio, photos. So it's kind of like a WhatsApp for pairs, but also much more. That's the idea.